Energy consumption for crushing and grinding at a mine site often represents half of the power consumed. This technology will reduce that demand by more than half.
The mining industry is supporting, technology that could have a massive impact in the way that we produce metal that we use every day.
Having Wheaton's recognition and endorsement has been amazing this past year. We've been fortunate to work with some great mining companies as the technology has developed. Exposure from the publicity and the prize announcement and Wheaton's endorsement has given us a level of credibility that we just didn't have with the players that aren't already familiar with us. In 10 years, ReThink Milling will be a major supplier of crushing and grinding equipment to the industry that benefits operating costs and environmental sustainability as we make more green metals for our green future.